First, a pronoun replaces a noun or noun phrase, right? That's easy. Now, what are possessive pronouns? Well, they show ownership. In other words, something that belongs to somebody. So who does something belong to, right? Hey, do not place possessive pronouns before the noun. We're going to talk about this just a little bit. Possessive pronouns go after the noun or in place of the noun. The possessive pronouns include mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. Possessive pronouns are quite useful when searching for a short answer to a question. Here are some examples. Can you find them? Does this book belong to Sally? No, it's mine. So, possessive pronoun, mine. I could say no, this book is mine. I could say no, it is my book. In this case, I'm using a very short statement, a short sentence, which is how most people talk. Is this your drink on the table? No, it's yours. You see, I could say it's yours, but that's not what we're working on today. Hey, does that red car belong to Mike? Yes, it's his. That is a possessive pronoun. Is this mobile phone Sally's? Yes, it's hers. Hers is your pronoun. Hey, the dog carried its puppy all day. Does this cat belong to your family? Yes, it is ours. Ours is your pronoun. Is this drink mine? Yes, it is yours. Does this computer belong to your parents? Yes, it is theirs. Possessive pronoun and possessive adjectives. Now watch carefully because this gets a little tricky. It is mine. That is your possessive pronoun, right? Compared to it is my car. That's a possessive adjective because my goes before the noun. Do not say mine car. Don't do that. So we have different ways to refer to things, people, etc. In this case, my is an adjective, a possessive adjective. Mine is a possessive pronoun. It is yours compared to it is your car. The same example. It is his compared to it is his car. That can be both a possessive pronoun and a possessive adjective. Just remember, the adjective goes before the noun and the pronoun goes after. It is hers compared to it is her car. It is ours compared to our car. It is theirs compared to it is their car. So theirs is the possessive pronoun and their car, their is the possessive adjective because it goes before the noun. Don't forget, possessive adjectives go before the noun. Possessive pronouns go after. We use indefinite pronouns to refer to people or things without being specific. We may not know who or what we're talking about. We use the suffixes body or one for people. Body, it would be pronounced like buddy, somebody, anybody, anyone, right? We use thing as a suffix for a compound word to refer to things. So something, anything, right? The indefinite pronouns are anybody, anyone, anything, nobody, no one, nothing, everybody, everyone, and everything. An important rule, if these are followed by a verb, it's always singular. Indefinite pronouns can also be used for possession when we put an apostrophe and s. Here are some indefinite pronoun examples. Has anybody ever told you that you are very smart? Well, anybody. I don't know. It's an unlimited number, and it may be that I know you very well, but I'm just asking a general question. If it had been anyone but you, I would have agreed. I don't agree with you. So this statement, I used anyone. If it had been anyone or anyone else, sometimes we do that, then I would have agreed. I haven't eaten anything since yesterday. So again, anything could be anything. I don't know what you normally eat, but in this case, I didn't eat any food at all. There was nobody at home yesterday. No person was at home. So I'm not talking about a singular or one person. I'm talking maybe a family lives there and none of the family or nobody was at home. No one I knew was at the party last night. So no one. I didn't recognize anyone. They did nothing about that problem. So no action was taken to solve a problem. Nothing. Everybody dislikes bad winter weather. It's just a general statement. Everybody. They're not talking about one person. Could be anybody. Friends, people around the world, we don't know. Is everyone here now? We expected a certain number of people. So, hey, is everyone here? You know, Bob, Sally, Larissa, Bill. Is everyone here that we invited to our party? People will purchase everything they offer. So they'll buy all that is made, a certain product of some kind, everything. Anybody can prepare scrambled eggs. It's an unlimited number of people. Well, we generally assume that. Most people can cook, but there are some that have challenges with cooking. Anyone can see you are happy, right? Anyone. Maybe a small group of people. Hey, you don't know anything about me. So we just met. You don't know anything. Anything. Nobody could have seen it coming. So in this context, no person could have predicted the future. Hey, there was no one at home when I knocked. Knock, knock. No person answered the door. So in this case, no one. Nothing I said made her change her mind. So there was no alternate decision, right? So nothing I said many different things, but nothing I said influenced her decision. I love making everybody happy at Christmas. It means I enjoy doing nice things. So everybody. Everyone enjoyed the meal. The people who ate at dinner, something like that. She means everything to her family. It means that they care without any limits at all. Everything. Reflexive pronouns are words that refer back to the subject of a sentence or clause. These words end in either self, as in the singular form, or selves, as in the plural form. There are 8 reflexive pronouns. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Like all words in English, remember that words are just words until they're given a specific job. I did not include oneself because it's considered Old English and is rarely used in spoken English. Use that for creative writing, Shakespeare, something like that. These same pronouns, by the way, are also used as intensifying pronouns. I'm going to talk just a little bit about that today. Reflexive pronoun examples. Can you find them? I can see myself in the mirror. In this case, this is a reflexive pronoun. Okay, I'm going to give you a little example of what an intensifying pronoun or intensifying reflexive pronoun would be. I can see myself in the mirror. That is a reflexive pronoun. Now listen. I myself can see in the mirror. You see? So I myself can see in the mirror. In this context, that would be an intensifying pronoun. It means something a little different because I'm just trying to make my statement stronger. Hey, can you see yourself in that new job? Yes, I can. He was looking at himself in the window reflection. So, in this context, very simple English, who was he looking at? Well, he was looking at himself. She sent herself a copy of the letter today. Herself is your reflexive pronoun. My dog hurt itself while climbing over the fence. Again, this is your reflexive pronoun. I am using this to help us understand who we're talking about. We blame ourselves for the poor company profits. Ourselves is your pronoun. Hey, would you help yourselves to the food and enjoy the party? Yourselves is your reflexive pronoun. They always take care of themselves. I could, if I had to put another noun in there, I could say they themselves always take care of somebody, yeah? Mom, dad, something like that. I can see myself in that new car. Oh, of course you can. Can you see yourself living in that country? Again, yourself, it's a reflexive pronoun. He always compliments himself after cooking a meal. Of course he does. My cat fed itself last night. Here again, we're using a reflexive pronoun to strengthen our statement just a little bit. Hey, we will just have to do it ourselves, more than one. Start dinner without me, just help yourselves. Someone comes over to your home and I'm still in the kitchen cooking, so we need to start because the food is warm right now. Hey, some people have to learn how to help themselves. You see, more than one. Hey, study your English every day for the best results. Remember that nobody knows the entire English language. Nobody. The English language changes every single day. The main idea with all languages is to effectively communicate with others.